Each load is carefully transported toward processing. Every fiber is accounted for before entering the factory. From the fields to the factory, transport is key. A journey that bridges nature and industry begins.
Every bale of cotton is on its way to transformation. The factory doors open to welcome the harvest. Bales are carefully stacked, preparing for the first step of processing.
From field to warehouse, cotton awaits the hands of industry. Each bale begins its journey through the heart of the factory.
Precision driving ensures safety and efficiency in every move.
All right, clear the belt now.
Automation begins as cotton moves toward its first transformation.
The journey through the factory is a seamless flow of motion.
Gravity and machinery work together to direct the flow. Separation begins, sorting fibers for the perfect denim quality. Every fiber is measured and sorted, preparing for processing.